Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Annisa Kurniawan, and I will give you an example of problems and solution of depreciation cost using the double declining balance method and straight line method. So first, for the double declining balance method, the formula is depreciation equals depreciation rates times book balance at the beginning of the period with depreciation rates equals 2 times 100 per useful life percent. And here the example. A company buys asset at cost 300 million rupees and the useful life of asset is 5 years. So we have cost of asset 300 million rupees and the useful life is 5 years. And we need to find the residual value with this formula. Cost of an asset per useful life. Cost of an asset per useful life. So the residual value is 60 million rupees. And the depreciation rates, we can find it with this formula. 2 times 100 per useful life percent. And depreciation rates is 0.4 or 40%. And the first year depreciation, we can find with this formula. Depreciation rates times book balance at the beginning of the period. For the first year, we can consider it as cost of asset. So the first year depreciation with double declining balance method is 120 million rupees. And for the second year, depreciation rates times book balance at the beginning of the period for the second year is cost of asset minus first year depreciation. And for the second year, the depreciation is 72 million rupees. And so on for the following year until the useful life of asset ends. And we move to the second method, which is straight line method. And the formula is depreciation equals cost of an asset minus residual value per useful life. And we have a different example. A company buys asset at cost of 10 million rupees and the useful life of asset is 4 years. So cost of asset is 10 million rupees and the useful life is 4. We need to find residual value first with the same formula. Cost of an asset per useful life. And the residual value is 2.5 million rupees. And the depreciation, we can find it with this formula, which is cost of an asset minus residual value per useful life. So the depreciation is 1,875,000 rupees. And for your information, basically, the useful life of an asset has been regulated by the government in the regulation of the Minister of Finance number 696/PMK03/2009, and the government divides assets into 4 groups, as you can see on the screen. I think that's all for me. Thank you for your watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.